video. It's the 27th of August. I'm at Richmond station and we are going to Vauxhall on our way to Stockwell, and I'm going to show you the Class 455 units. There are not many left. Units are being sent off for scrap on a daily basis, so they're getting quite scarce. So let's have a look at it. Units are about 40 years old. They first introduced in 1983. They've had a bit of refurb in this time. The units are gangwayed throughout. This is the corridor connection in the middle. Plastic box shared between the coaches with bits of rubber and some draft excluders. Pretty basic, but effective.
This is North Sheep. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is
They now
Waterloo.
have high back seats. Certainly built to last. They've got luggage space.
But yeah, that's it. Another summer.
So now on this very crowded train, or fairly crowded train, I'm going to find a seat. Something that wasn't included when this unit was new was space for bicycles. They don't have a guards compartment like the 4 sub-units they replaced. They've had new compressors fitted. They used to have all the gubbins from underneath the 4 subs when they came into the service. Now Mortlake. So this is the Class 455. Not many left to go, so making the most of it before the new units come in. It's rather busy today. Still quite a smooth ride, despite being on the rails for 40 years. So here we are, Class 455, probably its last year in service. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care now.
Please check before you travel.